Hey guys, Andy here with another unboxing, and today we're taking a look at the VR aim. So I picked up a PSVR unit a couple of weeks ago, and since then I've had an amazing time with it. I received a copy of Bravo Team with the VR bundle, so I decided to pick up the VR aim controller to use with it, which also comes with a copy of Farpoint. So my last experience with any sort of controller like this was playing House of the Dead 2 on the Dreamcast using a light gun way back in 2001. I'm sure some of the older gamers among you can relate to that. So I'm pretty excited to see how the VR aim unit functions, particularly in virtual reality. I managed to find this particular bundle for £50 from Smith's Toys. Considering that Farpoint is around £20 to £25, this essentially means that you're picking up the VR aim controller for around £30, which is a pretty good deal. In fact, I haven't seen the controller itself being sold as a standalone, so you may have no choice in that matter. With the release of Bravo Team, there's also a Bravo Team bundle available here in the UK with a copy of the game, so it's really your choice which game you prefer. Now I know that Bravo Team has had some mixed reviews, but I actually found it to be okay. But I'll share my thoughts on that and Farpoint in another video, so stay tuned for that. To date, I know that 6 games are currently available with the VR aim controller. Farpoint, Bravo Team, Dick Wild, the Brookhaven Experiment, Arizona Sunshine, and ROM Extraction. Admittedly, I've not heard of the last 4 games, so I'm not sure how popular they are. I've been playing Until Dawn Rush of Blood recently, which I found to be quite fun, but that uses the Move controllers instead. Okay, so in the box we have a copy of Farpoint and some instructions, as well as the VR aim controller nicely packaged underneath. So taking the VR aim out of the packaging for the first time, I can say that it definitely looks like a well-built gaming accessory, and aesthetically it definitely complements the PSVR headset. Interestingly, it looks a lot different from the PlayStation Move Sharpshooter from the PS3. This definitely looks a lot less aggressive and much more futuristic. I also think that you had to physically insert a Move motion controller into that, whereas this is a complete unit in its own right. The VR aim has a number of buttons on it, and these are all of the standard buttons you find on the DualShock 4 itself, but simply mapped out across the unit to complement and enhance comfort for shooting games. I really like that it has a PS button located in the top of the unit to easily navigate back to the PS4's home screen too. Holding the unit, it really does feel very comfortable, and apparently is designed to cater to both left and right-handed users. So I've had a play with the VR aim on both Bravo Team and Farpoint, and found the controller to be responsive and surprisingly accurate, and I've had no issues playing with it whatsoever. Admittedly, I can only handle the VR world for so long, particularly Farpoint, so these short periods of play mean that I haven't handled the controller for an extended period of time. Conclusively, this definitely seems like a great buy, particularly at £50, and I'd highly recommend it, especially if you want a new VR experience. So, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please click that like button and check out some of my other videos, and subscribe to my channel. Hopefully, I'll catch you in the next video.